Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial to introduce you to dimensioning in Inventor. So once you've logged onto Windows on the MacBook, navigate your desktop and find the Inventor icon and ensure that you are opening 2016. So if you notice that the entire text doesn't show, if you click it, you'll see the version down below. 2016. Double click to open. And it may take a moment. And then once it opens, you can click on new part. Click on new part, double click. And then to start creating your part, you'll click on Start 2D Sketch. Then you can pick any of these three planes. Any of the three will work. Click once to select a plane. And now you can start sketching your part. So, if you use rectangle, and create a rectangle. To dimension it to become a square, you're going to click Dimension. Click once on the line, move the mouse away, click again, and it should be 2. If you mouse over the view cube and click the little house icon, it'll resize your screen. Dimension is selected, click an edge, move the mouse away, click a second time, type in 2, and you're all set. Finish sketch, go to extrude, and you're supposed to extrude 2 inches, and that gives the cube its 3rd dimension. Mouse over the view cube, click the house, click the front. If you start with the circle feature, you can click the sketch tab. For the circle feature, you can draw the circle by clicking once and clicking a second time. Click Dimension, click the outer perimeter of the circle, move the mouse away, click again, and the diameter of the circle should be 1. To dimension the distance between an edge and the center of the circle, you'll click on the edge first, click on the center of the circle. If you get an error, just say OK. Ensure that dimension is selected, click on an edge to the center of the circle. Make sure you've clicked on the center of the circle, move the mouse away, click again. That spacing is supposed to be 1 inch. And you need to also dimension between a side edge and the center of the circle. So click on the side edge, click on the center of the circle, move the mouse away, and that should be 1. When you're done spacing the circle, you can click Finish Sketch. Go to the 3D model tab, click extrude, click on the circle feature, and extrude 1 inch, type a 1 here, click check mark, and if you move your view cube, you'll see that you have extruded 1 inch. And now that I'm thinking of it, I believe that that was actually supposed to be a 1/2 inch. So I can click on my browser on the left side here, click on extrusion, and change that to 0.5. Now I will right click, new sketch. I'm going to make a 1 inch square. Dimension, click one edge, 1. Dimension, click a side edge, click again.
Do you think it's still about heat lamps?
And now I'm going to space the top edges. So ensure that dimension is selected, click the top edge, click this edge, move the mouse away, click again. That spacing should be 0.5. Now I'll dimension horizontally from this edge to this edge, move the mouse away, 0.5. Finish sketch, extrude, this should be 0.5. Enter. Click the features so you know what you're extruding. You're telling the computer what you're extruding. The check mark. Now at the top there's supposed to be a hole. So you can right click, new sketch. Circle. Draw your circle by clicking once and clicking again. Dimension the circle diameter to 1 inch. Click the diameter, click again. Type a 1. Now dimension the spacing from the top edge to the center. Move the mouse away. Click again. That should be 1 inch. To dimension horizontally, click a side edge, click the center, move the mouse away, click again. 1 inch. Press enter. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. You're going to change the direction by clicking this picture. Click on the feature that you're going to extrude, which is this circle. And then you can type a 2 inches, which will extrude it through the cube. 2 inches. I had an error, so let's see what we can do. New sketch. Let me repeat the circle. I'll go quickly this time because I had some sort of an error. Dimension, click once on an edge, center, move the mouse away. That should be 1. Click the edge. Click the center, move the mouse away, click here, this should be 1. Finish sketch, extrude, extrude through. I'm going to change it to cut. So I clicked on the center button here, change it to cut, and that should fix that issue. Now, if I move around my view cube, I see that I have a hole. I'm going to save iPro, save as, change this top item to desktop, put your name here, Mrs. Borges, plain cube, say save. And now I can see it here on my desktop. I'm going to go to Google Drive. Grade 7. Let me see if I can go in. And then in Google Drive you can right click, upload files, navigate on the desktop to find your plain cube. Here's mine, and you can upload to Google Drive. Now you're done, and you can submit it to Classroom.